Today is March the 7th, and you can see it is snowing bad. And it's supposed to continue until sometime tomorrow. We're supposed to get 3 to 5 inches by midnight tonight, and 4 to 8 inches tomorrow. And we need to go to Portsmouth tomorrow morning and be down there by 10. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens. We started about 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 9:30, something like that. And this is what's going on. I just thought you might enjoy this video. There's some birds flying. Sorry, I'm not outside shooting this, but I'm not going outside to shoot it. That lady's staring at me. How rude. And then later on today, I'll take another video to let you see how it's become. Let's see. It is 5 after 11, let's say. Around 2 or 3 this afternoon, I will take another video. Bye. See ya.